everyone, and welcome back to the channel once again, and thank you. Comment, like and subscribe. Today I'm going to tell you a very happy and nice story. Everything began about 1 month and a half, 2 months ago. I received from a YouTuber, John Foster, new YouTuber. Is very in love with RC cars. He makes very good and detailed videos, and he's growing. So this Mr. John Foster wrote me and told me, hey Nanny, there's a guy in the USA that he's looking for growing channels with nice content, and he pays money to this growing channel that he finds nice. Wow, it's very strange. Today we are not living those times. So after some communications, this guy, I will just tell the name, Rayan, paid me some new cars, some new boxes, and I'm very happy because at the beginning I was quite so I don't know what to think, but at the end I find a very nice guy, a fan of these things, and this makes happy with hope to the future. The world is still a nice place. So I had this mission to find 3 cars that to me are significant. So the first one is this Kyosho Javelin. This was the first car that I wanted, but it was too expensive at those times, in the 80s. I love the cage, the 4-wheel, that they are chain drive, and the look, the general look. This is the car. Javelin from Kyosho. Love it. And one day we will make an unboxing and we mount it and we have some tests. And for this car I would like to use, instead the original engine, this engine that I have already tested a lot of time, that has this ESC, and this is the engine. Brushless, not expensive, quite cheap, and we will use it on this powerful. And this is one. Then another one. the second one. The second one is quite common, is this one. This remembers me of the times when I used to be a shopkeeper for models, and I've mounted 2 or 3 of these for my clients, and I found this is a very good car. It moves from Avante, and you find this here in this part, and this is the second one. This I will mount quite standard. This is the box. Here you see the car, the frame, how is it made. And here another view. Okay. Then there's a fact. I've ordered a Toyota Yaris Rally, obviously, the Gazoo Toyota Yaris, and I found one model in Spain. I have ordered, I've paid with money from Rayan, and I'm waiting. Problems with the shipper, with shipping problems, and so I asked money back on eBay. I have bought it on eBay. I don't like to ask money back. I prefer to have the toy. So when I had money back, in one day, yesterday, I have ordered, and today I have received from Amazon this one. What is this? This one. An SU Prince. This is a model that I think that fits very well on my wall of frame. This one. With this car, now I have the 3.1, and I can make this video to say thank you very much to Rayan, and to hope for a better future for my channel. In order to do this, I remember, please subscribe, give me like, smash the bell, and if you write me, I'm very happy to know what you think. By now, thank you very much, and keep well. Ciao!